Hello world! Welcome to Space Gazette's head-to-head matchup between NASA's Orion capsule and SpaceX's Dragon V2. These are the vehicles intended to take humans beyond low Earth orbit, to asteroid surfaces, and ultimately to Mars. Let's take a closer look. NASA's Orion spacecraft has been carried over from their cancelled Constellation program and redesigned to pack the workload of 3 different vehicles into one. It can carry up to 4 passengers for 21 days active crew time as well as 6 months quiescence. It features a glass cockpit design, replacing most of the traditional controls with digital ones displayed across 3 screens. It is capable of docking automatically to space stations with the option of manual override, whereas previous American craft have required manual control for docking procedures. On December 5, 2014, the Orion capsule traveled farther from Earth than any human-rated vehicle has traveled in over 40 years when it successfully completed its Exploration Flight Test 1. The craft rose to 3,600 miles above Earth, making 2 orbits around the planet at speeds up to 20,000 miles per hour. While orbiting, the capsule traveled twice through the Van Allen belt, enduring intense radiation. Many of the craft's components and systems were tested during the 4.5-hour flight before a safe splashdown in the Pacific Ocean. The Orion will see more test flights in the coming years, but isn't expected to carry humans until at least 2021. SpaceX's Dragon V2 can carry a crew of up to 7 or a combination of crew and cargo. It features a sleek cockpit design complete with leather seats and a drop-down control panel containing 4 screens and minimal analog controls. From its earliest design concepts, the V2 was to be able to dock automatically or manually with space stations such as the ISS, where it could remain docked for up to 210 days. Rather than relying solely on parachutes and water for soft landings, the V2 features 8 Super Draco engines tucked inside 4 engine pods around the body of the capsule. Each Super Draco engine, the first engine ever to be entirely 3D printed, is able to produce 16,000 pounds of thrust. Using these engines, as well as 4 retractable landing legs on the bottom of the craft, the Dragon can make a soft landing just about anywhere with the accuracy of a helicopter. In addition to landing, these engines can also be used in the event of an emergency during takeoff as a launch escape system. This new type of launch escape system offers many advantages over previous types, including increased safety to the crew and a decrease in manufacturing costs. An even more significant cost decrease comes from the V2's reusability. It is estimated that the capsule could make as many as 10 flights before requiring significant refurbishment. The Dragon V2 has yet to see flight, although unmanned test flights could be conducted this year, with manned flights to follow as early as 2016. With NASA and SpaceX both developing missions to Mars, it's more important than ever to have vehicles that can withstand the harshness of deep space while maintaining peak performance through multiple missions. Which of these do you think will be the superior spacecraft and why? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to hit the subscribe button. Stay in touch with us here on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. And don't miss our weekly wrap-up of all the latest space news this Saturday. Thank you for watching.